Hello everybody, this is going to be my next system test fire alarm video. This is a wire fire alarm system test 6. That's right. It's been a while when I've done my fire alarm videos because when I wanted to explain to you all that the reason I want to make another system test for now is because I ordered a key on eBay. So, I will be demonstration when I got the key on eBay. Which I'll explain that in a little bit. So, for the alarms, here's the system be waiting for. The system test 6. The fire alarm wire system test 6. So here it is. I have my Simplex 4250 T-bar. That's right. And my hooking to the 9-volt batteries. And yeah. And here's what the alarms has got. But it won't be too loud because I don't want to disturb the neighbors. But just a strobe. But here it is. Here's the alarms. My Simplex 4093 9219. As you can see. With the strobe. I'm not sure what the candela it is. Well, just a strobe probably. So yeah. And little screws. And yeah. Here's the back of it, so you can see. So yeah. System test 6. First, let me move this over, and let's activate, shall we? And 3, 2, 1. It finally strobes, as you can see. What the horn does, it sounds more like other regular horns, like Wheelock horns or any other horns, Simplex horns. Some other one of those that sound like True Alert, but basically like sort of like that. So yeah, now let's reset it. I'm reset with my new key that I got from eBay. As you can see, my B key. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Well, I'll reset it. And alarm and the system's back to normal. The alarm is back to normal. Now, as you can see, this is the one I got from on eBay. B key. Let's see this focus. Simplex B key. The main reason why I got this B key on eBay is because my other B key got lost. The one shaped like a letter B only. That other key got lost, and I can't find it. That's why I couldn't use these pull stations yet. So yeah. But I put this on my keychain so just in case I don't get lost. But here's the next system. I'm gonna start with activating with this pull station opens to pull it. And 3, 2, 1. So yeah. System's back to normal now. So yeah. So that was the fire alarm wire system test 6. And yeah. I hope you all have a great day, and maybe next time when I do a real system test, we'll put the systems on the wall. I wish I need a panel, but the panel might be too way expensive. Like, if everybody comment below that, why can't you, like, I know a lot of people out there, like, ask me that question, why can I put the, system, like, all the alarms on the wall, and use a panel for it? Well, number one, the panel is very expensive. I'm probably not gonna need a panel because they're very expensive, and I don't have much money to spend on. And two, I might wait and see if I can figure out to hook these alarms on the wall. I'm gonna need some conduits. I'm gonna need some back boxes and conduits for the wall to hook them up. Or no, hook them up just like one of these. Just like the hook up the alarms on the wall. So yeah, just like the switches, like for lights. So yeah, that's what the system wanted to make next time. Because next time, when I do a real system, we'll put the pull station right there or here, doesn't matter. And I'll put one of these alarms up here somewhere. Either here or here. So yeah. Let's activate one more time. And here we go. One more time. This key is so tough. There we go. It would be much perfect to put the systems on the wall, so it'd be easy to handle it to hook the alarms on the wall, if I need some conduits next time. Anyway, so that was the system test wire fire alarm system test 6. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. I might do a next system test video. Peace out, everybody.